Alright guys, it's soon Valentine and I'd like you to join me on the journey. You might not be the perfect alpha or mastermind of dating. You have probably seen thousands of movies or from magazines on how to approach this matter of dating. So how can you be the mastermind of your Valentine? Here I have some advice. It should be easy and effortless to go on a date, although you should put a lot of thought into it. How do you get your girl to say yes? Put together a program so you tell her where to be at the different points and what you're gonna do. You don't need to spoil everything, but you can definitely make her thirsty for more, and she will clear her schedule 100% for you this special day you planned out perfect. You want to impress your date. No matter how much you think it through, you will never be able to make it just perfect. However, you can do the best on the planning. You can pick out the places pre-hand and you can make the reservation. Double bookings if you're not sure that it's the right place. Just remember to cancel it. You can go to the movies, but if you usually go to the movies, then you might think out of the box. It could be ice skating or climbing. Just think of something that could be fun to do. You don't need to be an expert. That's the whole point. If you go somewhere and learn something new, you can be together learning this new skill, maybe even build a new hobby. That's just a good tip. Sometimes I like to cook dinner for my date, and sometimes I like to go out. I think it's all about what you feel is right in the situation. If you have the time to cook, then go cook. If you don't have time, then you can go out on a good restaurant. It doesn't need to be 5-star Michelin. It could also be some nice, unique place that you have found especially for the date. Another tip to be more attractive on your date: always style your hair to look cool, be well groomed or clean shaved, have a nice cologne on. Not too powerful, not too weak. Find something in between. Your style should be casual, but also I recommend something that you feel comfortable in anytime over a suit. So it could be that you just spice up your jeans with a white shirt, or that you spice up your t-shirt with a blazer. Just feel comfortable. Confidence is the most sexy thing you can dress up in on a date. You might ask yourself how to get some extra points when it comes to your attractiveness. You can start out looking at any option to have a good laugh and build on the positive sides. Forget about negativity in your talks and always try to make a good joke or a good compliment when it feels naturally. Just to get this topic off the table, should you bring a gift or not? Actually, there's no rule or no way to describe it, but you know your girl. If she likes a small thing, it's a good icebreaker. Anyway, if you like to give her a really big bucket of flowers, you might consider sending it to her home address. Or even better, if she likes the attention, you can send it to her office space or school, and she'll get all the attentions. However, if you like to bring a gift on the date, make sure it's not stealing all the attention away from the nice setting you already been spending hours of planning. It's very normal that you sit in front of a new person and you need to find out how to have the conversation going, and you're out of weather talk and food talk. Then you need to talk about yourself. So prepare yourself for giving away some of your personal stuff and be willing to listen. A good place to go is New York Times. They made the 36 questions that leads to love. It's some basic questions that make you get a better conversation and get to know your partner even better. When it comes to the conversation, it's about getting to know each other. Even though you have been dating for a while or in many years, it's always nice to get these talks about something that is not everyday stuff, maybe some life goals, adventures, or something that can build your relationship to the next level. Remember, do not talk all the time, be a good listener, and when you listen to your partner, you also get all the feedback that you need to contribute to the conversation. So she tells you something and you add to the conversation, and eventually the conversation will evolve to the next level. And I know what you're thinking. You can easily get carried away in a good conversation, but always be yourself, tell the truth and respect her, and you will get an even better night and future. From my point of view, it's important that you not take my advice for the measurement and only inspiration. You should always find your way. And as always, we have a competition, so if you want to participate, write your best dating advice down below in the comment section, like the video and be a subscriber, and you can be lucky to win free Nice by Vilain hair products. Also, we have a blog post on slikhaarshop.com, and if you like your advice being featured on the blog post, then hurry up and write them, and we'll pick out the best for the post in the next week. See you guys next time.